Is your Apple Watch not vibrating even though sounds are working? This usually happens because of haptic settings, do not disturb mode, or a system glitch. No need to panic, folks. In this video, I'll show you how to solve the vibration not working issue in your Apple Watch. So let's get started. Before we start, make sure to turn off Do Not Disturb, Bluetooth, and Silent mode. Now follow my advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check Haptic settings. Open the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Scroll down. Tap Sounds and Haptics. Now tap Haptics and choose between Default and Prominent. Prominent adds in more noticeable vibration. Solution 2. Check the notification settings for specific apps. Now grab your iPhone. Open the Watch app. Tap My Watch from the bottom. Tap Notifications. Scroll down to the list of apps and tap on the app you're not getting vibrations for. Make sure to select Allow Notifications. Under Alerts, check if Haptic is enabled. Hope you got the proper solution to solve the vibration not working issue in your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Till then, stay tuned.